Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dryer door seal. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door seal. The door seal seals the dryer door to keep the hot air in. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and the hot air is leaking out, extending the drying times. In order to change the door seal, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the door seal. There's a split down here at the bottom. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver, get behind it to help pull the door seal out. There's little tabs that go all the way around. Once you have the door seal free, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old door seal next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the new door seal in, if you look at the end, it's actually shaped. So you want to make sure you start with the end so that the little heart shape is towards the inside, towards the window, and then you can press the tabs into the openings. Once you have the new door seal installed, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.